Okay, so this is the setup now with the solenoid, right? It's a little bit a jumble of wires, but let's walk through the circuit. Um, First of all, you have the 5 volts and 70 milliamps power to the relay, which is the JDVCC connection. That's just red and black, positive and negative, right? Then the other one is the control pins, control channel to the Raspberry Pi, which is again, this is actually a 3.3 volt, the GPIO pin, and then the black is the ground, right? So that's so this is being powered by 3.3 volts, high and low. This is 5 volts, 70 milliamps, and now the new one is this is the solenoid valve. So basically, there's a water pipe that can be turned on or off. Water flow can be turned on or off by using this solenoid. Now this solenoid needs actually 12 volts and about now I've set a maximum of 1 amps. So 12 volts goes to one of the terminals, doesn't matter which one. There's no polarity with these terminals here. So it goes to one of them. From the other, this yellow one, you can see here, is actually going to common of the relay, and from the normally open connection, we go back to ground, which takes it back to the ground. So this is the 12 volt power, right? So basically, this solenoid is is being controlled by this switch here, by this relay switch. Now if we run the program, let's run the program here. It's almost the same program like we had when we were just testing the relay itself. Just do that. Okay, you can't see the program, but I will, it will be in the links below. Okay, so now let me run the program. You can see it's turning on and off. Now, it's not very, it's not visible, the relay, the solenoid turning on and off, but if you hold it, you can feel it. You can feel that the solenoid is, the switch inside the solenoid is turning on and off as the relay switches. Right? There's a definite clicking feeling when you hold this. You can also, of course, test it out by putting a multimeter across these two terminals, and you will see that about 0.3 amps actually is drawn by this solenoid when it is energized, when the switch is closed. So this is a 12 volt 0.3 amp solenoid valve.